Welcome to the stage. Come and see a glimpse of our journey, you and me. The hallways alive with laughter and cheer. Parents and teachers, the moment is here. A showcase of effort, a shared delight. Answer sheets glowing under the bright light. Let's celebrate learning the growth we find. A tapestry of knowledge we've intertwined. From math to science, stories we wrote. Open house.